Now next question is, a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in the making of 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Find the total length of wire required. And second one, the area of each sector of the brooch. Two things you have to find out. When what is given to you, you have given diameter. Diameter is what? 35 millimeter. Then what will be the radius? Radius will be 35 upon 2. This is 35 upon 2. Okay. Then, yes, 5 diameter, they convert the circle into 10 equal parts. That is why what to do? 360 degree upon 10. This will be 36 degree. Okay, then theta will be 36 degree. Okay, now come on. R we know, theta also we know. 5 into diameter. Diameter length is what? 35. 5 into 35. Circumference of this 2 pi r. 5 5 are 25, 2. 15 into 17. 2. 22 upon 7. What is r? R is here 35 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja. This is 175. This is your 285 millimeter. This is your answer. Now the next part is what? What you have to find? Area of sector. What is area of sector? Theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So theta is what? 36 degree. This is 360 degree. Pi value is 22 upon 7. R is what? R is given here 35 upon 2 into 35 upon 2. Okay, this 10 za. Okay, 5 2 za. 5 7 za. 2 and here 11 and 7 to 7 cut. What is remaining? 35 into 11 upon 4. Multiplied by Vedic method. See, 3 and 5 is here. 35 into 11. 3 and 5 I have written here. 5 plus 3 is 8 upon 4. Area it is given. So what will be the unit? Millimeter square. This is the answer. Yes, the next question is, an umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle. Umbrella to be a flat circle, and there are how many ribs? 8 ribs are there. Of radius 45 centimeter. Radius is given to you 45 centimeter. Find the area between two consecutive ribs. So we have to find area between two consecutive ribs. What is the meaning? You have to find first of all you have to find the angle in between consecutive ribs. Okay. So total radius is given 45 centimeter. Number of ribs are this 8, and umbrella, just you have to imagine this is one type of flat circle. Then what is the central angle of a circle? That we all know. The center of the circle is 360 degree. Okay, how many number of ribs are there in an umbrella? That is 8. So how can we find the angle, central angle upon number of ribs? 360 degree upon 8. So this is 360 degree upon 8. Let us cut. 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40. 45 degree you will get. Okay, then all things we know. We have to find its sector. Just like here, area between two consecutive ribs means what? Area of one sector of a circle. Okay, come on. Theta is your 45 degree. This is 360 degree. 22 upon 7. 45 into 45. Okay. Then what to do? See here. See, 9 5 ja 45. 9 4 ja 36. Okay. 5 and the 5, 5 8 the 40. Okay. Then what to do? By 2. By 2 here. 2 4s are 8. And here is 11. 45 into 45. 45 square. Just again one technique it is. 45 square. Multiply. How can we get it directly? Add back if 5 is there, you write 25. Okay, this is one good technique it is. Take the next number of 4. Next number of 4 is what? 5. Multiply it. 5 4s are 20. This is 2025. So 11 into 2025 upon 7 4s are 28. Again one more technique by Vedic maths. Multiply by 11. Take unit digit and last digit here. Unit digit and last digit. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. Upon 28. Unit is what? Centimeter square. And this is your answer. Next question is, a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 cm sweeping through an angle of 115 degree, 115 degree. Okay, find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. You have to find the area. Now what is the question? What is the question? Two blades are sweeping. Okay, total number of blades are 2. And one blade sweep means one sector. Now 2 blades are sweeping and cleaning the area, it means 2 into area of sector. And what is the area of sector? 2 into theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So this will be 2 into theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Then 2 into, what is theta? Theta is your 115 degree. This is 360 degree into pi is 22 upon 7. What is r? R is here 25 centimeter, it is given to you. This is 25 into 25. Okay. Then by 5 you can cut. 5 1 ja 5 7 ja 35. 5 2 ja 10. Okay. 2, then here is, and 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 36, and here 18, here is 11. After that we cannot able to cut. See here. Then what will be the last answer? C. This is 625 into 23 into 11 upon 18 into 7. Okay, you have to multiply it. When you multiply 625 into 23, you will get 14375 into 11 upon 8 7 ja 56, 5 7 1 ja 7, and 5 12, 126. Use again Vedic method. 14375 into 11. How to multiply it? Check. 1 and 5 is here. 7 plus 5 12. Carry 1. 10. Carry 1. 7 3 10. Carry 1. 4 plus 3 7. So 5. 158 125. Okay. So this will be 158125 upon 126. What is the area in centimeter square? This will be in centimeter square. This is your answer. Yes, the next question is, a round table cover has 6 equal designs is shown in the figure. This is the round table cover. The radius of the cover is 28 centimeter. Radius is given 28 centimeter in the figure in book also. Find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. You have to find its cost. Rate is given to you 0.35 per centimeter square. But one more thing you have to use. Pi, that value of root 3. Value of root 3 is 1.7. Okay. Now what to do? There is given just like one hexagon, it is given to you. Okay. This R is given to you. It is 28 centimeter. This is, I can say, OC, OA, OB, OC, all are the radii of it. Okay, total central angle is 360 degree, that we know. Okay, total 6 radii are there, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 sectors are there. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, what will be the angle between two radii? What will be the angle? 360 upon 6. This will be 60 degree. So theta is 60 degree. Now concentrate on ODC. This is what? Segment, no? Area of segment DC, shaded part is. And how many segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you have to find? You have to find this only. The design, the cost of making this type of design. So 6 into area of segments. So total area covered by the design is equal to 6 into area of segment. 6 into, what is the area of segment is actually? Theta upon 360 degree into pi r square minus r square upon 2 sin theta. This is the area of segment, directly you can get. Okay, direct you put the values and get the answer. What is 6 into theta is what? Theta is what? 60 degree upon 360 degree, pi value 22 upon 7. What is r? R is here 28 into 28 minus r square upon 2. Again 28 into 28 upon 2 into sine 60 degree. And what is sine 60 degree, that you know. By table, trigonometric table, we know that sine 60 degree is equal to under root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. I am writing here. Root 3 upon 2. Okay, now see. 6 into 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36. Okay. Then 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 28. Clear? Then 2 3 is 6. Here is 11. What is coming? 11 into 44 into 28. Okay, 44 into 28. 44 into 28, it will be 1232 upon 3. Here is one time you write as it is, and value of this is root 3 by 2. Now we are going to cut. 2 1 are 2, this is 14. 2 1 are 2, this is 14. So 6 into 1232 upon 3 minus 14 14 196. So 196 into, this is 1.7. 196 into 1.7. Then what will come? See, if you remove it, this is 10. Okay, then what will come? 6 into, after dividing, see what will come? This is 410.66 minus 196 into 17. This will be 333.2, and here is divided by 10, that is why 0.2. Okay, then what will come? See, 6 into, after subtracting If I subtract it, what I will get? 77.46. Okay, and multiply it by 6. 6 6 are 36, 3. 6 4 are 24 and 3 27, 2. 7 6 are 42 and 2 44, 4. 7 6 are 42 and 4 46 centimeter square. This area is there. Then after that, what you have to find? Cost. You have to multiply it by this 464.76. Now come on, we are going to multiply. Then what will be the cost and what is given to you? See here, rate is given to you 0.35 per centimeter square. And what area we got it? This is 464.76. Then how much amount we have to pay? Okay, the cost of making the design is equal to 0.35 into whatever is area. Okay, when you multiply it, you will get 162.66. This is your